Did you ever witness a game where one move turned the tide in a blink? Enter the electrifying 1979 match between the Trenton Tornadoes and their fierce rivals, when an unexpected move left fans speechless. The Tornadoes faced intense pressure and needed a breakthrough against the seemingly invincible Roxbury Rangers. As the clock ticked down, their midfielder, known for his strategic genius, executed a baffling feint that misled three defenders at once. This innovative trick inspired the team, culminating in a match-winning goal that secured an unforgettable victory. This event etched itself in the minds of fans, exemplifying the unpredictability and creativity that redefined the boundaries of the sport.